Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. We're just going to add some more detail to this thing. It's kind of cool. Alright, so I have this box. I'm going to build on top of it. Oops. If I don't stop dropping things, I'm going to build on top this little clip. And then, check this out, ladies and gentlemen. This is kind of cool. I'm going to put this in here. Oop, no, I need it to go the other way. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this right here like this, and then it'll open and his backpack that Peter Parker carries will be right in here. It's kind of cool. This goes right in here like that. Nope, sorry, that's not right. It goes in like that. There we go, just like that. Alright, I'll show you how that opens later. It's kind of neat. And now, I get to build. So there's two things. I'm going to put this together first, because I got to get this ready. It's going to hold something together. It's actually going to sit right here, like that. Okay, so this is going to go here. This is going to go. This is going to go here. Okay. And this one's going to go here. And I'm going to put this with the holes outside here, like that. Okay. Excuse me. This one and this one. So this one is going to go here. This is going to go like that. Alright, so you're all itching to see this. That's kind of cool. So this lifts up. And there's Peter's backpack. He hides it inside here in this little hole. And then this closes just like that. It's pretty neat. Yeah. This is starting to look pretty cool, actually. I like this. This is actually starting to come together. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.